Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.5, Problem 5. This is Section 3.5, Problem 5. We have 19.44 divided by 12. So, if you can use a calculator to solve the problem, you can just enter it the way it is and get the answer. But if you're going to do the problem by hand, you have to write it in a different format. Start with the 19.44, the first number in the division problem, and that goes under the division symbol, and the second number will go in front. So it's written like this. Now, the decimal makes it look more complicated than it really needs to be. That decimal is just going to go straight up vertically. So, take the number in front, start dividing it into the number underneath the symbol. 12 divides into 1, well, 12 won't fit into 1. 1's not big enough. So next, 12 divided into 19. That'll fit. 12 will go in once. Put a 1 up here. 1 times 12 is 12. Then 19 minus 12 is 7. The next digit over is a 4. So that 4 will come down next to the 7 that we just got. And now you want to see how many times will 12 fit into 74. The closest you can go is 6. So put the 6 up top. 6 times 12 is 72. And now we subtract 74 minus 72 is 2. The next digit over is another 4. So again, that comes down next to the 2 that we just got. And we'll divide 12 into 24. 12 fits in twice exactly. So I put a 2. 2 times 12 is 24. And if you subtract, we get 0. So the answer is 1.62.